What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony, and if this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button because I drop videos on the daily showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing and all aspects of internet marketing altogether. So today's video is going to be about how you can leverage ClickFunnels and Instagram to put money in your pocket, okay? I know we all know about creating sales funnels, setting up a funnel, capturing email addresses, so forth, so we can sell customers later on down the road, but how do we get the traffic? How do we get people to actually go into and enter our funnel? Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is, we have all heard of influencer marketing, okay? If you haven't heard of influencer marketing, that'd be like, for example, I have a page on Instagram that is focused on weight loss and I have 1 million followers, okay? I can now monetize that Instagram account and start to sell advertisements or shout outs or post promotional products, affiliate products through that Instagram page. So here's how you can leverage Instagram along with ClickFunnels, okay? So if you're an affiliate marketer for a specific product, instead of finding an influencer and having them shout out your page to get more traffic back to your Instagram page, have them set up an ad, maybe whether that be for an hour, whether that be for 24 hours, whether that be a permanent post. Obviously you need to check with them and see what their price points are and what you can afford, okay? But let's just start off with an hour to 2 hours. I would go to that influencer, and instead of having them post a link to my affiliate offer, what I'm going to do is have them do a shout out, give something away for free to their audience, but instead of directing them to a affiliate offer, I'm going to direct them over to my ClickFunnels landing page where I'm going to be able to capture emails and build my list from there. I guarantee you guys that this trick will work. You will convert more and have higher sales by doing that rather than having them shout out and influence a direct sales page or a direct product page or sending them straight to a website. Send them into your ClickFunnels, get those people circulated through, start building your email list, because let's be honest guys, you want to know why the best internet marketer or the best internet affiliate marketer or the best YouTuber or the best dropshipper is making millions and millions of dollars. That's because they have more traffic than you do, okay? They have more traffic than you do, and they also have a bigger email list, whether that be their general autoresponder email list, whether that be their followers on Instagram, whether that be their subscribers on YouTube. They have a bigger list, okay? The money, guys, for anything you do online is in the list. The more people that are on your list, the more people that you can market to. It's plain and simple. The hard part is not how to get people into your sales funnel. The hard part for a lot of marketers is sticking to a routine that works and capitalizing on it and doubling down on it, okay? So a lot of times we get started, and once we get started with a certain aspect of marketing, we do it a few times or we do it a few days, and then we sit back and we wait, and we're waiting for the sales and nothing comes in. Okay, once you find a marketing plan that works, guys, I don't care if you're putting 1 subscriber into your email list a day. Whatever you're doing to put that 1 subscriber into your email list a day, do it over and over and over and over and over, and in 12 months down the road, guys, you guys are gonna have 365 people that you could market to and sell your products to. It's that simple. I mean, it's simple, but it's not easy, okay? The first step is taking action. Down in the description below, if you don't already have ClickFunnels, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my affiliate link. If you guys found this video entertaining or useful, go ahead and use my affiliate link for ClickFunnels. They're giving you guys 14 days free to get inside there, create as many funnels as you want, see if you like it, test the waters. Also, if you're brand new to affiliate or internet marketing, my Internet Marketing Profits book is also down in the description below. That is completely free for you guys. And until next time, I will see you guys on the other side.